Hi everybody, my name is Charlie. I go by Prince Trader. My Twitter is TheRealPrince31. I've been a lifetime member of Bearable Traders since mid-2019. I've been trading live for about 12 months now. And I hit a major milestone this week in my trading journey by winning Member Trader of the Week for Bearable Traders. Anyone that's looking to learn how to day trade, you're not going to find a better community to learn from than Bearable Traders. It's just not going to happen. I've tried many places. And if you try out the chat room for a week, the biggest thing that you'll realize is all of the consistently profitable traders that trade live in the chat room, they all have similar but very different perspectives on how they manage trade, the setups that they take, yet they all come out consistently profitable, which was a major eye-opener for me when I first joined the chat. And unlike many trading groups out there that have 1 to 2 strategies that promise to make you rich overnight, which is a straight lie, BBT will give you the tools and knowledge to learn right the first time. Read Andrew's book like I did, How to Day Trade for a Living, and if you think what it takes to become a consistently profitable trader, his book and the BBT community and all the members that share the knowledge that they have learned will literally catapult your learning curve. Try this challenge for a week. You're going to like what you see.